Gates open, they're off and racing. Fierce and Fiery draws for your lead. Then moving up, My Queen Barkley saw the outside chip. Joson sneaking in down on the inside. Maryland Dream second last, and seeing Lorquez running at the tail of the field as they head to the last 900. Now we have entry number 5, and that's Fierce and Fiery in command, followed by My Queen. Chip Joson racing in third. Running alongside is the outstanding favorite Barkley. Then racing in fifth, Maryland Dream, and seeing Lorque still running at the tail of the field as they round towards the last 450. Fierce and Fiery, Chip Joson, Barkley moving up on the outside and grabbing the lead. Barkley, Chip Joson by the rail, Fierce and Fiery, Maryland Dream, and My Queen seeing Lorque with the last 150 more to run. We have the super mega outstanding favorite Barkley, the leader over Chip Joson in second with the last 50 meters. This one, Barkley crossing the wire first, the horse of Mayor Ben Harabalos over Chip Joson, close between number 2 seeing Lorque and number 5 Fierce and Fiery.